Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock apps with fingerprints on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So first we need to go to the settings, then we need to scroll down to the security and privacy. Now you can go to more security settings and go to secure folder. Now we need to set it up, so let's click on continue, then continue. Now it is creating the secure folder. Now I'm gonna click on done. So here we need to set the password for the secure lock folder, and actually that can be a different password than you have on your phone. So I have a pin which is 123. Of course I don't recommend having simple pins, but I can, for example, set a pattern for the secure folder. So I'm gonna draw it, click on continue, redraw it, and click on confirm. If you want to allow reset with Samsung account, you can click on allow. I'm gonna click on don't allow because I'm gonna remember my lock. But in case you forget it and you don't have the lock reset with Samsung account option enabled, then you will not be able to restore the data that's in the secure folder. You can also enable fingerprints if you have them added on your phone, and then click on next. Here are a few apps that have been automatically added. You can add more, for example the Facebook, then click on add. Now you can also go to customize. So here will be some settings, all the apps here and so on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold on that Facebook app and add it to home. Of course you can skip that step. I'm gonna explain why I'm doing that. It's because now I have two Facebook apps, and the Facebook app that isn't locked will still have the account that I had logged in previously. So if you want to have the account that was logged in here locked in the locked Facebook app, then you need to log out of this app and log in here separately. And now to open this app, it didn't ask me for my fingerprint. That's because my secure folder has been recently open. So I can click on the three dots, then click on lock and exit. And now when I open the Facebook, I need to turn on the pattern. Enter it. But it was just because I was using the secure folder for the first time. Now as I lock and exit, you can see that I can use my fingerprint as well. And remember that it has a different login, different account here than here. So if you don't want others to access the account that's on this app, you can just easily, log out from here. Or you can also go to settings, and there is an option that you can do, which is home screen, hide apps and on home and app screens, and hide the Facebook. Then click on done. Then you can see the Facebook locked one will still be here, and the not locked one has disappeared, so it is now hidden. And you can open the Facebook from here if it's added to the home screen, or if it's not, you can just go to the secure folder and find it here. Remember that the secure folder will be unlocked until you lock your phone. Then I believe it should lock itself. Yes, it asks me for my fingerprint now. It doesn't match. Okay. So now it's locked again. When I exit it, go into it again, it's still unlocked until I either click on three dots and then lock and exit, or just lock my phone and unlock it, then it'll be locked again. And this is basically how you use the secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.